Hello guys, my name is Olga, you're on my channel Sweet Fruit, and today video I want to share my personal tips. Easy tips how to lose body fat. I use it for several years, I would say all my life, and I really want to share with you these rules which are very easy to follow. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel Sweet Fruit, I ask you please subscribe, not to miss new information about longevity, health from the top specialists and doctors, professors. And let's go started about 2 rules. My 2 rules is breakfast. Number 1 is your dream breakfast. I like to eat. I know you like to eat too. I have never met any person who don't like to eat. Your breakfast in the morning could be your dream breakfast. I personally prefer to start breakfast with carbohydrates and with fruits. Something sweet, but sweet should be natural. It means not sugar, not glucose, but fructose. It could be fruits like bananas, apples, dry fruits, which is very high calorie, but I prefer to eat them in the morning. And it should be 500-600 calories. Remember, for one person who want to lose weight, it depends on your activity, but maximum 2100 calories per day. And in the morning you can consume 600 calories. It means like you consume 30%, around 30% of your daily recommended amount of calories. It's rule number 1: never miss breakfast. With one difference: if you want fasting, then of course miss breakfast, but I always have my breakfast. And rule number 2: after 1 p.m. I don't eat anything. It means I do every day intermittent fasting, 16 hours. It means after 1 p.m. I don't eat anything. Sometimes it's happened I eat 1 apple or cup of kefir, but this is that's it. I just drink lots of water, tea and coffee, which I cannot quit. This is my rules. I hope it was helpful for you. As I promise you, that was very easy. And be healthy and sweet. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.